Hello, class. This is Michael Bain for 1407 MDF2. This is my week week one reflection video. I had a few problems here. I guess I'll start with what I do have working. Um, I think my refresh works. It's like sometime it works, sometime it doesn't. It's weird. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I try to get some help, but I guess it was email issue. But my app basically it only like I can post from here and it'll show up on Twitter, but it won't show up here. But when I was working on this app in May, all my I can get all my posts show up from all my older posts. So something I don't know what happened, but it's my code is the same, but this month uh, anything new that I post doesn't show up, but it shows up. I'm still getting my old posts. They're still able to be pulled from Twitter. I don't know what's causing that. Um, yeah, I guess my refresh not working. But here's another thing I had a problem with was here's my user view. Here's my description. But we was also supposed to have a friends count and a followers count. But it kept crashing when I tried it. So what I assumed was the problem uh, was that I have to change the integer into a string, and I was having trouble doing that. So in order to get my app to run without crashing, I use name instead. I know it doesn't meet the rubric, but I wouldn't have been able to demonstrate what I do have if I would have kept it. Um, so so here's my screen name. It's telling you what I've posted, which should be here, but it only shows up. Here's the date, and I'll go to one of my old posts so you can see that it is pulling the information. But this is a test post from you know that was in my post. But that's basically it as far as my app, what it does at the moment. Um, Here's some of my code. Um, it's my some of my buttons, my table view. Um, Here is let me see. Okay, here's the code that actually pulls the data from Twitter. Here's the call right here. Uh, let's see what else. This is my on-click event for the compose a tweet. This is kind of like a signature, and this is my dictionary that I created. See here, I just put name, but if I would put friends count, my app would have crashed because the value of that is in integer, and I believe that's why it was crashing. I'm not too sure. I'm still trying to get help with that. But yeah, and for now, and here's my table view. It returns the amount of Twitter posts that I have. This is my reload function, which seems like it's working, but I'm not sure. I mean, it's getting here. It's NSLogging refreshed, so I assume it's getting there, but it's kind of has a mind of its own at sometimes. Here's my cells. That's what each cell is gonna have inside of it. It's my prepare for segue. It's my classes that I created, custom classes that I created. That's what it says in my user view. Uh, yeah, it's basically it. I think I've babbled on enough. Thanks for watching. Michael Bain.